What is going on, you guys? Welcome to my channel. In today's video, it's going to be a little bit different. Usually you see me starting off the whole video with the car somewhere outside, not wrapped. Well, in this video, it's partially complete almost. The only thing left is just the two rear quarter panels, the trunk, the bumper, and I don't have the front bumper, so that's going to be the way it is right now. I will keep this video relatively quick for you guys, not going to complicate it too much in this video. I'm just going to show you guys the process of me wrapping a G35. If you really want to see the befores and afters, then you do definitely want to check out my Instagram at proper.wraps. If you guys are wondering what's the name of this color, it's called, get ready, Metal Paint Midnight Benzo Green. Something like that. It's a mouthful. And I don't know why Tinybot does that. I wish they could have just kept it simple. Like, for example, Midnight Benzo Green. But let me show you guys real quick. I'm using a flashlight. Does like little sparkles. This hood is not in the best condition. So like right here, there was a line. And that line was a clear coat peeling. I'm surprised I pulled off this in one try. And obviously Tinybot being more on the tacky side, I'm really surprised. So yeah, there's a lot of little rock chips and whatnot. There's a little dent. There's a big dent on the other side, quarter panel, and I'm doing my best I can to minimize those things visible through the wrap, to the point where when the owner comes through, he's going to be looking at the hood and he's going to think, well, there was some, clear coat peeling. Where is it at? And that's the whole point. I want to make those kind of little things less visible. A lot of people just wrap, forget whatever is underneath, and just go about their day, But I want to go through that extra effort and make it look completely different. So the way it came to me is not going to be leaving the same way. So he's going to be very excited. I will be filming a reaction video, and you guys will hear it for yourselves from the person who owns this car. And there you guys have it, all complete, all finished, except the front bumper, which will be done later. He's still sourcing out the front bumper, trying to get a different one because I guess the front one is destroyed. This is, by the looks of it, a drift build, so pretty dope. So for now, it's complete. The side mirrors are done in gloss black. Like literally everything is done in gloss black, and also the roof. So he's not aware that I did the roof. He's gonna most likely pick up the car and be blown away by the fact that the roof has been redone. It was really bad condition. Brand new 3M 2080 gloss black on the roofs, and it looks phenomenal. So I removed the emblems, wrapped the trunk on the bumper. This bottom piece is in gloss black, and it looks really nice with this vinyl wrap. All right, here we go. Reaction video. Let's see what he says. And there's the water. Crazy, huh? And check out the roof. It's brand new. Yep. Brand new, so I couldn't let you leave with the old stuff. That looks sick, dude. Yeah, I did that. So gloss black and then gloss black door handles. Kind of complements it pretty good, yeah. Bro, it looks dope. Hell yeah. There we go. That's how you get it done. Happy client, and that's it. Welded diff, you guys. Welded diff, so he definitely slides this thing. But yeah, like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you guys in the next video.